Hey guys, Miss Faust. This week we're going to be working on some simple single-digit multiplication. So I just wanted to remind you of a few of the quick strategies that we've been working on or we have already learned. Remember that any number times 0 always equals 0. It doesn't matter if this number has 1 digit, 2 digits, 10 digits. It is always going to equal 0. Same with 1. Any number times 1 is equal to the number you're multiplying by. For example, 9 times 1 equals 9. 28 times 1 equals 28. Same rule applies. It doesn't matter if it's 1 digit, 2 digits, 10 digits. It is always going to be the number that you are multiplying by when you multiply times 1. Okay? Now let's look at an example of a single-digit multiplication problem using the strategies we use in class and have learned so far. For example, if I have the problem 5 times 6. Some of you will look at this and say, oh, that's easy. It's 30. I know how to count by 5s. My 5 multiples are automatic. That's great. That's where we should be right now. But if you look at this and say, oh, I'm not really sure. Remember how we learned how to multiply. This problem tells us to count by 5 6 times. So I make my 6 dots underneath the 6. And I count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, 5 times 6 equals 30. Let's try one more. Two times 8. What does this problem tell us to do? It tells us to count by 2 8 times. So I make my 8 dots. And I count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 2 times 8 equals 16. You can use this strategy for any single-digit multiplication problem. I should not see dots under any problem that multiplies by 0 or multiplies by 1, because remember, when we multiply by 0, it always equals 0. And when we multiply by 1, it is always equal to the number we are multiplying by. Don't forget what we've learned already, boys and girls. You're very smart. Miss you guys.